everyone, Ruxandra here and welcome to my new video on how to make money online with cryptocurrency automatically and with no effort. I will share with you guys one platform that I can trust and I tested it before. So I'm using this platform since November 2020 and I must say this is a trustworthy platform. You may also choose to either trade yourself or to subscribe to one of the best traders there. I started with $100 there in November 2020 as I was also skeptic like all of you, and now I have around $1,000 June 2021, all without doing nothing, just setting up your account and subscribing to one of the best traders in there. So this trading platform was launched many years ago and intended to entirely change the cryptocurrency trading. In short, Vanbot promises to change the game into crypto trading, bringing unique functions that allows to automate the transactions on multiple accounts, maximizing the use of the balance, free and complete security. Further, find out below my affiliate link. They also have an affiliate program, so it's also linked to my affiliate marketing stuff. So beside my main training and my YouTube channel. So this is another thing that I recommend for you because they are paying very good on affiliate also. In their experience in the world of crypto and forex, a team of Romanian traders they realized that the cryptocurrency market was missing something. Trading for a long time and having only the options offered by the classic platforms, a lot of ideas started to appear. So this is how Vanbot was born, and from there the wheels began to spin and the mechanism evolved continuously in a elaborate software which we have now. So what other functions does Venbot offer? A friendly interface. Yeah, it's very easy to use. You will see, I will show you in this video. Accessible for any device, both desktop and portable, as well as creating an account with only a valid email address. Possibly to trade with personal technical indicators or subscribe to the automatic signals. Yeah, to subscribe to one trader that is doing the trading for you, like all the trading that is doing, you will kind of copy that to your account, but automatically. I usually check my account like once a week or once 2 weeks or so, because you really don't have to do nothing, just to split. If you have profits, you will have to change the amount you allocate for each trade. So this is the only thing that you have to change when your profits change, so you don't have to do anything else. You have a unique wallet to save you from the headaches of creating and managing multiple accounts on different exchanges. With one account you can trade on multiple platforms, so you will have many cryptocurrencies there. With one account you can trade on multiple platforms such as Binance, Bittrex, Bybit. The wallet is fully secured, encrypted, and the unused funds are put into a cold storage where you only have access. Simple and fast order management. The signals are very easy to manage. When you're trading, you can change it, but here this video is for beginners, so I think they will choose to automate their things at the beginning until they learn how to trade a little bit and do it themselves, because you need time to trade and to learn how to trade. So what's next? Venbot is constantly evolving and new functions are under development. The founder said, one of the founders says, we are trying to identify the demand of the traders in their trading experience and add them to the application. Our goal is to develop a friendly and easy to use tool for cryptocurrency trading. It's very easy to use, you will see it. So if you want to test it too, Vanbot team is available 24/7. We have support on Discord channel. There we have kind of 1,000 people community. Yeah, this is kind of it. So I invite you to test the application. I'll leave feedback in the comment, and below you will also find my affiliate link where you can use it to create an account. I will receive a commission after. So therefore, Venbot was initially conceived as a personal work tool for a small group of traders, but enjoying a great success in the crypto community. As the number of users increased, Vanbot founders understood that by making the application available to as many people as possible, their suggestions make it more and more effective. They enthusiastically received the feedback and incorporated into a friendly application which offers a specific functions unique in the world. So how was Vanbot, how Vanbot appeared? Therefore, Venbot was initially conceived as a personal work tool for a small group of people and traders, but enjoying a great success into the crypto community, it has naturally evolved into a public product. So as the number of users increased, Vanbot founders understood that by making the application available to as many people as possible, their suggestions make it more and more effective. They enthusiastically received the feedback and incorporated it into a friendly application which offers specific functions which are unique in the world. So here we go. I will show you my screen. This one, yeah, I want to share with you the screen. So when you type in Vanbot, here you will find like this is their website, like app website. Here you can log in after you have an account, or you can register, which you will use it. So yeah, I'm already registered, so here you can use it on Binance, Coinbase, BitMEX, Cracker, and so on. Okay, so here is where I logged in. Okay, so here you go. This is how it looks like. It's not very complicated. It's easy. Yeah, when you top up and stuff. It's like so here we have the app, how it looks inside. Like this is my account, and first I went to signals and settings. Yeah, signals and settings, because you have to set up your account so it can make the trades automatically for you. So here on the left you have Bitcoin here. Make sure you have all the settings made as I have it in here. Accept signals, auto start trades from signals, fixed position size. How much will you put in each trade? So here you will change it accordingly. I started, I guess I started with 0.002. That was where I started. So you don't have a minimum amount to deposit, but make sure you can make at least 2 or 3 trades with 0.002 Bitcoins. Which I recommend. So after you can change it. Yeah, that's not a problem. Here you don't have to make any changes yet. So just here you will put 002 instead, and make sure you have checked accept signals and auto start trades from signals. So all it's automatically. Then you hit save button. So it's all saved. Okay, then after you finish this setting, you have another one on the right here. Be sure you accept signals, so to start trades from signals. Okay, here is set to 50. Be sure it's the same, and you hit save button, the same. Subscriptions. I subscribed for a trader, but the traders I don't really know. Trades. Okay. Okay, so here is the platform, and I'll show you mainly how to make the settings and how to use it. It's very simple. It's not very complicated to achieve the settings. So you go here to signals. Okay, then you go to settings. Okay, then here you make sure you have you accept signals and auto start trades from signals. Here you will have how much you will put in each trade, how much you will allocate for each one. I started with 0.002 Bitcoin. Okay, and here make sure you have the same settings and you hit the save button down here. Then you will go here on the right. You make sure you have this checked, both of them. Here you have the same, and here the same settings that I have, and click the save button. Okay, so here at signals you also have traders on the top left. Okay, you click in there, and here you will choose the best traders out there. So that we have. I subscribed to Shark. I didn't lose any trade, so yeah. Even though it took longer for some trades to close, they will also you know, I didn't have losses anyway. So I subscribed to Shark. Okay. You have the option to subscribe. You know, I have the free version, so I'm showing you what I've tried and it worked. So it's completely free. You just, you know, subscribe and that's it. Create an account and deposit, and you can try it before. You can even try to withdraw before you go further or invest more, which I recommend you to do. Okay, so I follow Shark. I subscribe to her to his free, you know, trading option. I think everybody here has, you know, free trading options also. Okay, so after you choose that, you will, you know, follow his the system will follow, you know, his trading, you know, behavior. So you will have quite the same. So you have profits. Okay. So here I do right now. I do have like a few. We have few active ones, but mines are just three of them. Okay. Closed 14. Now here I show you the profits that I took on each, you know, on each trade. You know, it's quite good. Yeah, quite good. So I started with 0.007 Bitcoin. I will show you, you know, my my first deposit. Oh no, not here. Wallet. Okay. Deposits. So this was my my first deposit here. You know, I started with this on the 10th of November 2020, and now I do have 0.02 Bitcoin. So it's real. It's not, you know, that I'm fake it or something. So I started with a little amount. When you withdraw, there is an amount, fixed amount, but very little amount fee when you withdraw your Bitcoin. There are so many websites that are accepting now. There are even like ATM machines for Bitcoin. In our country there are, in some commercial centers and stuff. So there are many options you can withdraw you know, your Bitcoin from. Okay, so these are you know, the settings that I've made, you know, and yeah, make sure you have splitted, you know, the Bitcoin, and you have at least 0.002, which is the minimum to start a trade. So I started with 0.007, and I had like 3 trades at the beginning. Yeah, kind of, you know, the same 3-4 trades are good to go. If you don't have a big amount of money, you know, inside. Okay, so I don't have other things to show you here, because you don't have to do anything else. Just the settings, you subscribe to the trader, and this is quite it. So yeah, I have my profile, I have my affiliate link. Yeah, here is my affiliate link. Okay, yeah, if you invite, yeah, I like this affiliate program actually, beside the main that I have, which I love a lot, the marketing trading, the affiliate marketing training that, you know, I'm promoting. If you invite new users using your affiliate link, you will earn up to 50% from the fees they generate for life. So yeah, this is kind of a good one, except other things that are very good here. Okay, so here we go. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact me, you know, in the comments below, or on my you know, Facebook profile and so on. But you can put questions below and I will answer, you know, right away. So this is kind of it. So here we go. This is another option for you to, you know, make money online. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.